Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to check the emails you've already sent using the Gmail app, you're in the right place. Whether you're trying to confirm a message went through or just need to follow up on a previous conversation, accessing your sent emails is quick and easy, once you know where to look. Let's walk through the updated steps to view sent emails in the Gmail app. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. It's the red and white envelope icon that most of us recognize instantly. Once the app is open and you're on your inbox screen, look toward the top left corner. You'll see a 3-line icon. This is the menu icon. Tap on that to open up the side menu. Now you'll see a list of different email categories and labels, like primary, promotions, spam, and so on. Scroll down just a bit until you find the option labeled Sent. It's usually located below the drafts and above the trash folders. Tap on Sent. And just like that, all the emails you've sent from your Gmail account will appear. You can scroll through, tap to open any message, and even double-check dates, attachments, or recipients. It's worth noting that if you use multiple Gmail accounts on your phone, make sure you've selected the correct one before tapping Send. You can switch accounts by tapping your profile picture in the upper right corner and selecting the right profile. That's all it takes to view your sent emails using the Gmail app on your phone. These simple steps help you stay organized and make sure you're always on top of your email game. If this breakdown helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and useful tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.